So moving on to the 8th question. The splitting of heart sounds is more prominent during inspiration. Now, normally you have two heart sounds, your S1 and your S2. So this S2 is not normally seen as S2. You hear, you have two sounds actually. S1 is actually the closing of mitral and tricuspid valve, and S2 is essentially the closure of pulmonary and aortic valve. The aortic valve closes slightly earlier than the pulmonary valve. So sometimes you can make out two sounds within the S2. So A2 represents aortic valve closure, P2 represents pulmonary valve closure. Now, during inspiration, negative intrathoracic pressure increases. So there is more sucking of blood towards your heart. That is, there is increase in venous return. As there is increase in venous return, the right ventricular filling is also increased, the stretching is also increased. As there is more blood in the right ventricle, it takes more time for the heart to pump out the blood. So the closure of P2, the closure of the pulmonary valve, which is represented by P2 here, is delayed. So that's one point. The second point here is that the aortic valve, the left ventricle, as the negative intrathoracic pressure decreases, the blood moves sluggishly towards the left atrium and towards the left ventricle. So left ventricular filling decreases, and there is only a little amount of blood within the left ventricle to be pumped out. So the aortic valve closes quicker than the normal case. So this is the A2. So here you can see this gap represented by the red line is much bigger than this gap, normal physiological. So there is more prominent splitting of the second heart sound during your inspiration.